Me, beep, beep. Okay, let's go. So it was man-made looking. Then I could see it was really man-made looking. Just like waste rocks. Bleh. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Get it? Woo! Sheet metal. Hey, Barry. I had to break some roots. Oh, that's the murder weapon. He's just Aspens and oh well, yeah. Hey, that's what you were pointing out the other day. On the same tree. Wow, it can't be. That's not possible. Both genders, one tree. I came here for this.
Then these ones are like male.
Yeah. Oh, hair's caught. What is this thing? Let's go. Things are getting weirder. By the parking lot. Mr. Christine. Make poisonous cookies and marketing children. Friends, time. Oh boy.